This is our third year doing the show, and every year it gets busier, so we've just like to really try to up the ante on the theme this year.
It's brilliant. We're really happy to joining AI and Cloud Infrastructure Show. Perfect place for us to be here. Good crowd to chat with and networking.
Really enjoying it. We've had some great customer interactions already. There's a lot going on, so customers are really engaging with us. They're really interested in what we're doing.
Actually interacting with people, innovation, making sure we're sticking with the times, moving forwards.
And I am looking at everything from data centres, new applications, AI, what I can do to completely revolutionise our business in London.
It's really about how in the fast-paced world of tech, how do you keep ahead, how do you keep your skills up, how do you keep competitive, how do you not drown?
Yeah, it's fantastic, super interactive, looking around, quite a diverse audience. So yeah, something really good for technology as a fraternity as well.
It's always best to meet people in person, and the Tech Show London is the best place to do it.
Some amazing businesses. If you want to catch up on the trends in the technology sector, this is certainly the place to do it.
This is our first time here, so we were testing the water and it's gone really well. So I think it's going to be a surefire thing for us to be back here next year, build some more partners, get some more customers on board. Yeah, we're very happy.